What do you mean you're hitting the road? Your father could always come around.
Yeah, when hell freezes over. Look, if he comes around, and we're not talking weeks or months here, Joe, we're talking decades. I don't plan on hiding out that long.
When the AIDS Memorial Quilt comes to Landview, now Andrew is really going to be under the gun. Now, why don't you want to be there to support him?
Oh, I'm looking real forward to seeing the quilt. A huge monument to homos just like me, all of whom have died.
You sound just like your father.
Yeah, well, you know, do you think those things he said to me all these years, they just bounce off? They don't. They sink in. Sometimes I think I hate myself almost as much as he hates me.
He doesn't hate you.
I'm leaving, Joey. I'm sorry.
Yes, can I help you?
You're the homo, right?
No, I'm Andrew Carpenter. I'm the rector
Yeah,
here
you're
at
the
St.
homo.
James. No?
It's written all over you.
All right, sir, if you'll excuse me, I have things I have to attend to. Look, I am not going to fight you.
What's the matter? You too sweet to fight back?
I mean it. I don't want to. I'm not going to fight you. And God have mercy on you.
Just like I thought. A born homo. You make me sick!
I know what I'm doing. And I know what I have to do. What I have to do is put as much distance between my parents and me as I can. Go ahead, tell me it's stupid.
I'm not going to tell you that. I'm thinking maybe I'll go with you.
You mean it?
You're not the only one with parents on his case.
This is great, man. We'll leave together. We'll go to New York, get jobs. Big Apple, here we come, baby. Yes, this is great.
What's going on, guys?
Great news, Alana. We're leaving Landview, Joey and me. The sooner the better, right, Joe? There's nothing left to keep me here.
But your mom says she wants you to come home. She says that you can work it out no matter what.
That's what she says. My dad, on the other hand, has other ideas.
Your dad wrote this?
A real concerned citizen, huh? The only good homo is a dead homo.
He doesn't.
That's what he means. Alana, how can I go home to that? My mom pulling at me from one side, my dad pushing me away from the other. Who needs it?
And you, Joey? There's nothing for you to be here either?
Billy, I need a minute alone with Alana, all right?
Sure.
Why, Joey?
You heard what he said.
No, I'm asking you.
My family hasn't been much better than his lately. Kevin's turning into some clone of my grandpa Asa. My mom hasn't been the same ever since Megan died. And my dad has been brutal. In his book, I can't do anything right.
I think you're making way too much of it.
You've seen him. He treats me like I'm just some kid he can order around.
You are his kid.
I'm his son. I'm not his pet chihuahua. He practically commanded me to join him at the ranch.
That doesn't mean you have to go run away.
He wouldn't care. Nobody would care. They're just too wrapped up in their own problems.
Not everybody, Joey.
Would you care? If I left, I mean.
What do you think?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I didn't mean
God,
to.
boys are slow. I really thought we were close, Joey. I really thought we understood each other. Guess I was imagining the whole thing, huh?
You weren't imagining anything.
Joey, don't go, please.
So it's decided, right? New York's our first choice. A, it's closed, so we don't have to waste all our money going all the way to San Francisco. And B, there are so many jobs for us in New York.
Billy,
We could
I've
wait
been
tables, drive a
thinking.
cab. All right, okay. I know what you're... Okay, you want to change your vote. San Francisco's fine
Billy,
with me.
maybe I didn't think this through. Maybe you didn't either.
What's there to think through, Joey? We go to the train station, we end up at Penn Station, New York City, and then we begin the rest
New
of
York is a big place. It's a scary place, too.
You're scared.
Yeah, as a matter of fact, I am.
Billy, you can't just land in New York with no place to
Did
stay.
you put him up to this?
No,
I can think for myself, Billy. We'll get eaten alive in New York. And even if we do make it, our friends are back here. We belong here.
No, you belong here.
I'm thinking what's right for
Well,
both
don't
of us.
think for me, all right? Nancy, here I thought you understood, but you're just like everybody else.
That's not fair.
Look at you. Look at you. The happy couple. You've got each other, you've got your cozy little families, your nice
You've
homes.
got us.
You can talk to us.
You don't get it, do you? I've got me, and that's it.